All right, guys, welcome back. Pretty nice day or pretty nice week for the market. Um, yeah, Bitcoin hit about 99,000 earlier today. Did slide back below, so currently trading 98,300 or so. So whatever, 99,000, 100,000 is pretty much the same thing. So pretty good day for pretty much everything. Let's get rid of this. But it's really the altcoins that are outperforming, and I think that's because some breaking news actually. Um, so let me bring this up. So the FTX payment plan is now is going into effect like today. So finally, I mean, it's gonna take like 60 days or so. But let's go to this article first because it's important. So FTX customers could finally get their money back as reorganization begins. And then basically, yeah. So yeah, on January 3rd, which is today, in partnership with Bitcoin and Kraken, with payouts to follow. Yeah, that sums it up right here. FTX claims portal distribution, Bitcoin and Kraken are only available currently. Kraken only. Some countries can choose either. FTX debtors are investigating options. Anyway, so yeah, the FTX customers are going to be distributing soon. So there's like going to be over it's like $15 billion to distribute, I think, and that's all going to flow into the market. So yeah, I think it's 15 billion. I forgot the exact number. Yeah, FTX had between 14.7 and 16.5 billion for distribution. Under this plan, 98% of the creditors of FTX will receive approximately 190%, which is not correct because if you were holding crypto as collateral, you're only going to get the whatever the price of the crypto that you were holding on the FTX exchange at that point in time. Yeah, so there are some caveats to the payout rule that the payments are based on the price of assets at the time of FTX collapse in November. 22 Bitcoin was worth between $15,000 and $17,000. Now it's hovering around 100,000, more than 500% increase, which stinks for many investors. Yeah. Let me save this. Okay. Anyway, let's just go on to crypto now. So, like I said, everything's in the green. Let's see what are the big leaders today. Solana up 4%. Oh, Doge 13%. Cardano 14%. Avalanche 7, close to 7. Chainlink 6. Sui 13%. And then we got what else? We got Litecoin 8% up. So overall, pretty good day in the markets. So do I think Bitcoin go higher from here? Yeah, I mean anything is possible. I think. Uh, I mean, we could retest the highs. I mean, I don't really see why not. We still have some room to go up here. I think momentum is pretty strong, especially if we can get over like 99,500. But we'll see, because yeah, like 100K is like psychological resistance. So maybe this is the furthest, the furthest it'll go. Yeah. Good evening, Jack. How are you? Let's see what else. Let's go look at some of the swing trades that I posted earlier. So it was not coin. Oh no, 1,000 sats. Yeah, it's a good trade right here. So far it is up like slightly, 1.58%. Still hasn't hit TP1, but pretty close to it. And then had a trade on Notcoin up about 0.37%. Yeah, still a whiles away from take profit one. And then what else can we take a look at? I guess what I'll do, I'll go through my my daily scan and see what's going on. Let's see. Sushi swap is looking good. Yeah, ENA is looking good. I mean, it's like kind of overextended. Let me switch to my other template here. Hey Adam, how are you doing? No, you're not late. Yeah, if you have any chart requests, just let me know. I'm just going through all the future pairs that are available on CoinW. So seeing if there are any setups for tonight. Let's take a look at comp. That I was actually looking at that earlier. So let's take a look. Comp on the daily. Overwatch still WIF valid entry. I think that was Dylan's trade. Honestly, I don't know. You'd have to ask Dylan. Comp, can you enter now? Based on my system, there's just not enough momentum yet. Like we need a little bit more confirmation. But I mean, everyone has their own styles of analysis. Like it doesn't look bad. It's just I'd really wanted to see it get above the high on the 24th of December, which was 87.29. And I'm talking about it from a daily perspective. Yeah, so yeah, you can do what you can do what you want. It's not a bad setup because it is above the 55 exponential moving average. But I think there's probably better setups out there. Hey, Alicia, happy New Year's to you as well. Yeah, that's yeah, I use like custom indicators. They are paid for. Um I don't know if I can like promote it on this. Actually, I guess I can. But yeah, it's not my indicator. It is done by a professional, um, a very professional trader who I've known for many years. Yeah, I'm gonna just scan through everything and see. So how about this? I'm gonna do my scan and then I'll answer all the questions that I can. So basically, this is what I do. I just like pretty much at the end of the day, or at the end of the daily close, which is 7 p.m. Eastern, I just scan through the charts like this, and um, it's kind of like a bit complicated if you're not used to like systematic trading, but based on my criteria, I can just tell right away whether there's anything interesting. So far, Sui does look interesting from a discretionary point of view because it is breaking above like an important resistance that I had drawn in from. I don't even know when I drew this. Um, Sui looks interesting, but it's kind of like a breakout trade, so it's kind of risky. Let's see. All right, Bonk. Bonk actually hits my criteria. I'm going to add this to my little list. See, Floki. Yeah, all the meme coins look kind of interesting. A1, AI 16Z. Yeah, we'll take a look at that. Just let me go. I'll finish going through my list and we'll take a look at everything else. Yeah, Mana Decentraland looks pretty cool. Or interesting, I mean. Ape coin. Oh, it's kind of weird here. One second. The names of the indicators I use. Um, yeah, so they're right here. So this one's called time transformation. Then you have this one. So let me show you. This is like the only, wait, there are two free ones. So this is like a moving average that I use. And then this is also a free one that measures momentum. Yeah, so if you look up water tar, it's going to be this one, cracking cryptocurrency water tar explosion. And then you'll be able to see the explanation and how to use it. And then the other one is the other free one is baseline. This is also free, I do believe. Or maybe not, it's invite only. I thought it was free. Okay. Well, it's not the point. Yeah, and then everything else is custom. Kind of like this one's hard to explain. Oops. Where was I? Kind of like ARB here. Kusama. Nah. E5 looks kind of interesting here. Hey Ninzo, how are you? AVAX. Yeah, I'm doing good. Just trying to get back into trading mode. I was been on holiday for like the past 2 weeks, 10 days or so. Yeah, there's quite a few interesting setups, like a lot. I'll post them in the in the groups, obviously. Altcoin. That's a long list. It's kind of getting tiring. AM Classics. Yeah, a lot of these charts look the same. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to compare it to the Bitcoin pairings and see how they look, and then like form, yeah, and then post the best setups in my view. The excess looks interesting. Yeah, Alicia, can you please explain what you're looking at when deciding to go short or long so that we understand what you're doing right now? Now, I'll try to explain it briefly after I finish going through my list. To be honest, this is like a full length course or lesson. Um, Maybe I'll do like some YouTube videos 5 at a time. So it looks interesting. What makes it interesting? I don't know. I've looked at like tens. You know, I've also traded equities and commodities, and it's just like pattern recognition. Um, I don't know how to explain it. You just after you spent like thousands of hours doing something, you just I don't know, just things appear to you. I really don't know how better to explain it. Right, we're close to getting to the bottom, not to the bottom, to the rest of the list. So yeah, Adam Sui is attempting to break previous all-time high. I think I briefly went over it, but we'll take a look at it when I finish going through this list. All right, so anything below, if anything is underperforming Bitcoin, I don't take a look at. So yeah, let's take a look at SUI again. That one. Where is it? There we go. Yeah, SUI looks very nice here. I actually like this, but just I'm not really a breakout trader, so it could, this could be like a false breakout, but setup looks good. Yeah, I'd say SUI looks very good. Just be careful, like this could be like just like a false breakout, and then it'll just push it back down. And then yeah, DOT. I think I already covered DOT, but or Polkadot, but take a look at it one more time. So on the daily, yeah, it's not bad. It's breaking above the 55 EMA here. Probably could, if this continues, probably take it up to like 8.85, and then retest of the previous highs earlier, or I mean not earlier, but earlier last year or last month. And yeah, guys, I've been going for a while actually, so yeah, let's see. Honestly, let me answer this question next time I go live. It's just like it's gonna take a while to answer this. All right, guys, I'm gonna go for now because I do have to like manage my own trades and yeah, take care of some business. So I'm gonna leave you here tonight. I'll probably be streaming tomorrow, so look out for that announcement. But yeah, with that, I'm gonna leave you guys. So yeah, until next time.